Hey guys, it's Tanya with the Factory 10. How are you? I hope everyone is well. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a game changer in the printing industry. Have you ever struggled with creating gang sheets for DTF and UVDTF printing? Imagine a tool that simplifies the process and builds the sheets for you effortlessly. Well, get ready to revolutionize your printing workflow with the Factory 10's newly integrated DTF and UVDTF gang sheet builder. Stay tuned to discover how this tool can make your printing experience smoother and more efficient. All right, guys, we're back. And so let's talk about our DTF gang sheet builder. It's real simple. It allows you to build your images, build your gang sheets. You don't have to use any more of those complex gang sheet builders anymore, guys. You don't have to build it in Photoshop. You don't have to build it in Canva. We have our system fully integrated to help you ease the process and make your lives easier, right? That's what the name of the game is. We need speed, efficiency, and quality. And the Factory 10 is here to give you that quality. So how do we get into building these gang sheets? Let's jump right in. You're going to start on our website and you can go to browse categories. And we have various different transfer types. We have the DTF, we have UVDTF, and we even offer some pre-made transfers. We'll talk about that for a few minutes at the end of this show. But we're going to just assume we're building a DTF gang sheet. And we're going to go to DTFs, and then we're going to go down here to gang sheets. All right, and now here we are. So we've got all our information here, guys, just to make you aware about what DTFs are. No more vinyl weeding, no more messy screens with screen print. DTF, and it doesn't have any color limitations, right? So you can get full color graphic capabilities, including gradient, special effects, photorealistic artwork, high quality, superior vibrancy, rich color output, guys, with our DTF transfers. And most importantly, you want to hear the kicker? Here you go. It's hot peel. Yes. So you're talking 15 seconds, 10-second press, peel it, 5-second finish and press with a Teflon or parchment paper sheet. Done. 15-second press for a t-shirt. Imagine that. Well, all right, let's talk how we build these gang sheets. So you want to pick your size. Actually, guys, size here doesn't really matter. We really just left the sizes here because we want everybody to be able to figure out what prices the sheets are. So just know that it doesn't matter what size you pick here in the drop down, because the gang sheet builder is going to tell you what size you need. All right. So we're going to pick a size. We're going to hit create design. And remember, we started with 2248. Guarantee you we're not going to end there. All right. So then when you get here to the first screen, you're going to upload your images. We're going to go find our images that we want. And I have some already put in a folder. So I'm going to head on over to that folder. And I'm going to upload all of these that I want at one time. Look at there. All right. We got them. We got 7 different images. I want to hit open. And it's going to load all of the images. Now, the beauty about this gang sheet builder is it's also trimming the images. So if you upload an image that is too wide or wider and you got a lot of extra space around it, it's going to automatically trim those images. Now, you see here, we have high quality 300 DPI. That's important, y'all. Make sure that you're using high quality images. And if you aren't sure how to do that, make sure you join in on our creative Canva class, which we just had one. It was free. So you can be on the lookout for another one. And we might drop some videos from that so that you can watch that and learn about quality images. So anyways, in the meantime, all my images have loaded, and I'm just going to tell it what size I want each image to be and how many of each image I want. So this one, I don't want it to be over 15. That's too high. So we're going to drop that width down to like 9. That's a better height for me. And I want to get, we'll just say we want 4 of those. This image, I'm going to do it 11, and I want to get 2 of those. This image, I want 5 of these, but I don't want them at 15. Let's go with 10. And this mama image, I'm going to do at 11 as well. And I want to do like 8 of those. Oh, this is a top seller for me. So I'm going to say I need like 10 of these. I only need them at 11 inches wide. And that's the sleeve and the front. So we're going to go with 11 on this one. Actually, we're going to go with 12. And if we got 10 of those, we need 10 of these. And actually, let's just drop it down to 10 and a half because I want to save some space on this sheet for the purposes of displaying to y'all how this works. And then this mama one in the checkerboard, I'm going to take it down to like a 10. And I'm going to say I need 6 of those. Let's get 6. Oh, we got to hit the right number, 6. All right. So as you can see here, our DPI went up on a lot of these because we lowered the size. And that increases the quality because they already started out super big. Most of them already were 15 inches or greater wide. So now this is all I want. These are all my images. All I have to do, guys, is hit generate DTF sheets. Oh my God, look at there. It built my sheets for me. It says I have a 22 by 120 and a 22 by 48 inch. If I was good, I just hit confirm my designs and type in my email address. It's going to drop it in my box. But hey, you know what? That checkerboard mama image, I don't think I want it to be white, y'all. What colors? Let's go see. So I'm going to hit edit design here. And I don't like this white. I don't want this to be white. So I'm going to click on my drop down here and I'm going to find my DTF design. I think it's number 4. Nope, it's not number 4. Nope, 3. It is not. Maybe 5. Oh, that's not it either. Let's keep going. Oh, it was the last, probably 1. It's 1. All right. So we got our checkered mama design and I don't like this white. I don't want it to be white. I want it to be a different color. And oh my God. So I just click over here to filters and they've got all this array of colors. And you know what? I want to make it yellow. So I'm going to hit the yellow. I'm going to then hit, I hit the yellow and I hit back to graphics. And I can see that this one is yellow, right? Well, I want all 6 of mine to be yellow. And so to do that, all I have to do is hit generate DTF sheets again. And now all 6 of my mama checkerboards are yellow. Look at there. All good to go, right? Simple, pretty simple. So now I'm going to hit confirm my designs. Y'all, that was easy peasy. It was like 30 seconds, right? To build my gang sheets. I just typed in the sizes I wanted, the quantity, and off to the races we were. Now I'm going to hit confirm my designs. It starts the redirection countdown. Guys, at this point, you can just hit redirect now. And look what it's going to do. Ready? Ready? Hold, wait. Ta-da! Yay! Yeah, guys. We put it right in the cart. I don't have to remember my sizes. It put my 22 by 120 and my 22 by 48 directly in my cart. I don't have to think about it. But I'm not finished. I need some more. You know what? I think I want to do a UV sheet. All right, so I'm gonna go to UVDTF. Same thing here. I want to do a gang sheet. So I'm gonna hit UVDTF gang sheet. I think I'm only gonna end up with a small size, so I don't know. System's gonna tell me. I'm gonna hit create design. And I'm going to hit upload images and I'm going to use this magnificent copy, black magnificent magic one right here. Yep. All right. And so once I upload my black magnificent, let's see, I don't need it to be 13. We're going to put this on some cups imaginatively, right? So we only need it to be about 4. We'll do 4 by 4. That's a little tall. I don't quite want it that big. So we're gonna go with 3.5 here. All right, yeah, that's a better size. Look at that quality, y'all. The image got so much smaller. The quality went out the roof. All right, I'm gonna say I need like 30 of those. Let's just do 30. I hit 30. I hit generate. It said I need a 22 by 24. Look, I didn't even think about it. I don't need to edit that. I don't have to do anything to that. I'm just going to hit confirm my designs. I've got my email address. Confirm my designs. And I'm going to redirect now. And and waiting. Ta-da! Look at there. It put my UV in there with my DTFs. All right. Just that simple, guys. So you don't have to think about it. Not a lot of work to do there. And then I could just go check out. But you know what? I forgot an image. There's another image I would like to include in this. Or you know what? I need more. I'm going to hit edit right here. And look at there. It takes me back to my sheet, guys. Back to my sheet. I need more. I miscounted. I need some more of these risen ones, okay? I really need 8. So we're going to do 8. I'm going to do 8 of those. And actually, I need like 10 of the mamas. So I'm going to update those to 10 and 8. I'm going to hit generate sheets. Up. And now I need a 22 by 20 and a 22 by 120 and 22 by 84. Still 2 sheets. No biggie. Hit confirm my designs. Or redirects back to my cart. And ta-da! It updated. I don't have to do anything, guys. Look at that. That's amazing. That is so simple. So now you can simply build your gang sheets right here into our integrated builder. The same thing with your individuals. So if you want to get any individuals and build them, you're going to do the same thing. So we're just going to add an individual. Let's just say for whatever reason, I just need one. I don't know. Again, I'm going to pick my size here. Let's just do a really big one. We're just going to say we need 15 by 15. I'm going to hit create design. Now on the individuals, it is important on the size that you pick because that is connected to the size that the template will be in this case, right? So then I hit upload and I'm going to go just upload a factory 10 logo real quick. All right. So it made it 15 by 15. I uploaded, I added over here. I'm going to change the size of that. I'm going to hit change the dimensions and let's go with 14.5 inches. And it changed it. All right. Now, because this image, when I uploaded it, was a little funky. As you can see, I got a little exclamation point here. It's telling me that my DPI dropped to 2.61. That is not necessarily bad. It's okay. Not a big deal. If I'm okay with it, as you can see here, the recommended minimum is at least 250 and we're above that. So I'm all right with that. So I'm going to hit confirm. I'm going to confirm my design. And I'm going to redirect. And at this point in my cart, I should have an individual and 3 gang sheets. Look at there. Ta-da. It's all there, guys. All there. If I needed to edit, I could edit here. All right. But I wanted to throw in really quick, just so you guys are aware, our pre-mates that we offer. So if I go back to transfers and I hit pre-made transfers, we have a plethora of designs and sheets that you can get without even having to think about what to put on them. We have pretty much every holiday. We have DTF sheets as well as UVDTF sheets. So make sure you go check out our pre-mates. There are several different designs in each one. So Mother's Day is coming up soon if you're interested in some UVDTF reps. And we offer the UVs in 3 different sizes, right? So make sure you measure cups, guys. Don't be dependent on us. We have 3 different sizes based on what's standard out there. But again, it's totally up to you on which size you pick. You just pick your size. And then you also pick which one you want. So all of these have names on them. So you can see this one is the Daily Mom Affirmations, Mama Vibes, Mama with Flowers and Butterflies, Mama with Daisies, Monster Mama, Cheetah Mama, and Plant Mama. So you just want to pick the one you want. We're gonna get a Mama Vibes. All right. So we got a Mama Vibes. We're gonna add that to her cart. I'm gonna say a 9.4 by 5 is what I want. I'm gonna add it to the cart. And if I go check my cart, view cart, I should have my gang sheets along with this pre-made now in my cart. Well, if my computer ever wants to move. There we are, guys. All right, so see, there we are. Now I have all my images. And that's all I needed right there. All right, guys. So that was super simple, right? Simple, easy, fully integrated, revolutionize your workflow. So thanks, guys, for watching. But everything I just told you in this video is completely useless if you don't go buy. The link is in the description below. And number two, if you do not know how to apply your transfers, be sure to go check out these videos in our transfer playlist, because you will learn all that you need to know on how to apply them and how to use them effectively. And remember, we have hot peel DTF transfers, 15 seconds. Can't stop it. Color vibrancy off the charts. So be sure to check out those videos. All right. Until next time, guys, I'm Tanya with the Factory 10. Bye.